Hello Trade Pros. In today's video, I'm going to share one risk management tip with you to help you recover from a down day and how professional traders implement this when they run into a rut. Let's jump right into the video. Alright, what is the first natural tendency most traders will tend to do when they get into a losing environment? Their mindset will start to shift and the trader will start to think, how can I make back the money that I have already lost? The proper way to look at this is, how can I make the next trade the highest probability with the lowest risk? That is, how do I focus on the next opportunity to make sure I give my chance to have a winning trade? The moment that you switch to thinking in a lack mindset, that's when you start to begin losing money. So it's very important to stay in the right frame of mind and to be positive. If you find that you're thinking about your loss on the next trade coming up, if that loss is still affecting you, then you need to take a time out and walk away from the market. But here's a risk management tip that I got to give you. When traders run into a little bit of a losing streak, what is the first thing that comes to mind? Oh, I'll just buy more. If I had one contract and I lost a trade, if I buy two contracts next time, I only need half to make back the total loss. And the problem with that is that what you're doing is you're actually increasing your risk exposure at a time when you're in a losing streak. A professional trader does exactly the opposite. When they lose a trade and they feel like they're off their game, they do not increase their size. What they do is they become more patient, they do more analysis, and they become extra careful for the next opportunity. In fact, when a trader in a proprietary environment does bad, one of the ways that they could recondition and discipline themselves once again is to go back to trading one single contract. When you're trading multiple contracts in futures, in Forex, or in stocks, when you have larger positions, it's easier to scale out of a trade and take some profit on the way up. When you're trading with a single contract, it becomes a binary decision. Either you do or you don't. And that forces you to have discipline and patience and wait for a good level to qualify your exits, and also wait for good levels to qualify your entries. So the next time that you run into a little bit of a rut, the next time that you lose some money, don't beat yourself up over it. Stay positive, stay in the right mindset, give yourself a chance to win, but do not increase your size. Decrease your size and start to claw your way back with discipline and solid money management. This will also help you prevent the situation where you have one bad losing trade and the next one after it's a bad losing trade, and the next one's a losing trade, and the next one after, for the whole day. Because let's face it, there are days where we're not psychologically up for the task. They're few and far in between, and as you gain more experience as a trader, you'll learn how to deal with those personally on both the mental and technical aspect. But at the beginning, there's going to be stretches and days, hours, maybe minutes where you're underperforming, and that's okay. Accept that. Forgive yourself for it, but use solid money management, like reducing your trading size, so you're able to fight back and stay at the top and stay at your peak. I hope you've enjoyed this video. This is a tactic used in many proprietary trading companies and professional trading desks around the world, and I wanted to share that with you. You could implement this to your trading immediately and it'll make a huge difference. Remember, don't double down on losses, double up on gains, and when you run into a rut, reduce your size in order to rediscipline and recondition yourself for success. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, there's a button below for that. Please like, comment, and share. We got a lot of awesome stuff coming your way. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, manage your risk and trade like a trade pro. Thank you and goodbye.